Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's supposed to be waterproof, but how waterproof is this phone? Let's find out. We can drop it off a bridge into a channel maybe. Lake Erie? Not exotic enough. Let's go find us an exotic location for this test. Alright, to complete the Note 9 Swan Dive, we will need the following items. We will need a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, a Zero Lemon battery case. We also need a spring-loaded clamp with tripod mount to hold the camera, and a Joby Gorilla Pod. Those are the items that we're going to be required to complete this test for the Note 9 Swan Dive. Okay, we're going to test this, see how well this will work for our Swan Dive. So we're in there, we'll adjust the camera around, get it set to where I want a picture, and that's where I want it for my picture, and up, and then there went the camera. Alright, so the launching mechanism for the Swan Dive is complete, and let's go find somewhere to have our Swan Dive. Still working.
Okay, we're not doing that anymore. Is it cold?
Yeah, it was still on.
Is it cold in here?
Not too bad. Oh, videoed it. Oh, that's just not. That's just ate up.
Oh, you missed the swan.
What, swan coming down the hill?
Yeah, yeah.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.